Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to replace the lens protector on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have installed an iPhone 12 Pro Max lens protector before and it cracks right here, see that right now, you won't be able to just remove it. It's a little hard to remove it. Okay, so the way to remove it is to use a tool like this. So luckily I have this dental pick and I can just go right there and lift it up. Okay, so this is not permanently glued. It just have like a little static cling that goes into the lens so that it doesn't come out when you move it around. Okay, so now let me go ahead and grab the new lens. So I'm just gonna put it right there. So this thing comes with a very small wipes because this is only for the lens. This is the wet wipes. Okay, then you want to use the dry wipes to dry it off. Then I'm gonna use one of the dust absorber so that you don't have a new dust building into the lens. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. This is the new lens, and basically I'll just remove this cover right here, quickly remove this sticker here, and place the new lens. Okay, and basically all I need to do now is just push it in. I'll clean the old lens as well, and that's it. So that's how you remove the old lens protector and replace it with the new one. I hope that this video is helpful to you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.